I hope you enjoyed this week's Munipals New York City MTA Beach 98th Street subway run featuring the custom-made Rockaway Park shuttle train with the R46, R179, both on current service, and of course the new R211s, plus the custom-made banner on the front on the Arnie subway train, which is the R179, the museum subway parade train. And of course, we all know that the real train here, the real one here, is going to Rockaways this month during a parade. So it's all going to be very, very exciting indeed. So anyway, more about that shortly. But first, of course, the inspection, of course, on the R46. This is actually an end train. So you've got the side, top, the other side, front, and also back as well. Same with the R179. In fact, the funny thing about Munipals is that R116, R179 actually almost looks exactly the same, pretty much the same as well. So it doesn't really matter which one you claim it is. And of course, the R211, something that you all wanted. Of course, the front, the back, the top, and both sides as well with a small square. All these are made possible because of the Munipals MTA subway train conversion kit, made by the community. Of course, as I said, I always give tribute to R47, Munipals R47, and of course, Bach 672 for making it. Is already available right now on the newest version of the Munipals Conversion Kit. So you can obviously download it and make one yourself. Having said that though, inside there's a new variant. On the top of the panel, this is an alternate version where you can have a Rockaway Park shuttle on one side, on the other side Franklin Avenue shuttle. So instead of doing one side, I decided to do both sides. So you got the Rockaway Park shuttle on this on that side as well, but as I said, different variants on the top. So compare that with the same. Which one do you like more? Which one do you prefer more? Leave your comments below, of course, and look forward to hear from you on this one. This is definitely something very interesting for the community on discussion as well. But before we finish, of course, the Rockaway Park shuttle, well, that one, anyone can do it. You can do it yourself as well, as long as you've got a printer at home and you know the color. So stick it at the front, then as long as it's back to scale down to size, then it should look just fine. It looks awesome indeed. So I hope you all have a great week, and I hope you all enjoy. And of course, thank you so much for watching the 30,000 subscriber special. That certainly took off. It's flying off the shelf when it comes to numbers. So thank you to everybody. Tomorrow Sunday at 10 a.m. we are unlocking the one and only Central Park North 110th Street Malcolm X Plaza real subway run featuring the number 2 and number 3 trains. And then at 11:30 we have more JR East suburban rail action, this time at Tokyo. See you at the platform.
Click here to watch the full episode now.